me putting it on the dyno, and then we had so many issues after that I didn't film anymore. Are you filming now? That way that can describe what I did. All right, boys, we got Catfish Billy on the dyno. We got our new Momo in there from Northwest Auto and Machine. We have Holley Smart Coils now, trick flow heads, mini hoops from TKM. Had the trans gone through by Rodney at RPM. We did burn up the band, I'm not sure exactly how. So he made a few changes there. We added additional catch cans, just doing a bunch of little stuff that we've been wanting to do for a long time on this car, but it's so hard to get parts right now. I've been waiting for stuff. Did the BMR manual rack. We just had a power rack loop because we were waiting on the rack. It was back ordered. Just a bunch, like I said, a bunch of little stuff we just buttoned up. We're going to Cincy Street Nights tomorrow, so I took 150 pounds out of the back, changed ride height a little bit since I took weight out of the back. And I'm getting ready to put on a dyno just because I want to read plugs, go over this motor, because this motor, the heads will be a lot more efficient than the 317s that we had on the other motor. And we really want to push this thing hard tomorrow, so I'm going to go over it, make sure fuel's good. Adam did the rest of the tune up. I'm literally just reading plugs, going over boost, stuff like that. Yeah, and then we're going to head out tomorrow, go to Cincy Street Nights, and possibly be taking, I'm sure I could talk Alan into it, take this, and we're taking Party Pack and Johnny Cash to Hardensburg on Saturday in Kentucky. So it's gonna be a busy weekend. It's gonna be all front side, no preps, which we're not exactly used to, but I'm willing to try almost anything once or 10 times or 1100 or so. It's gonna be a good time. I'm not really shooting for any number on the dyno. I'm just trying to get cylinder tuning right, get a base timing number, and then go from there so we don't hurt this thing. So I filmed myself putting it on the dyno. After that, we thought we had crank sensor issues, changed that. Turns out it wasn't crank sensor issues, turns out it was cam sensor issues. So then this morning we pulled the intake, pulled the cam sensor, found the cam sensor, put the new cam sensor back in, made a couple pulls. Made 1347, like 1,500 foot-pounds of torque on 32 pounds of boost. So that's our total boost for the first run, maybe a little more. Kind of being like, I took some weight out, changed ride height a little bit, did some other stuff. Being soft on it somewhat out of the hole because I don't want it to wheelie. And we're just gonna see what it does because we have no idea what it's gonna do on a good surface.
Well, tell us that we're at Cincy Street Nights.
We're at Cincy Street Nights.
And it's
Edgewater Motorsports Park. And it's better than everything else we race on. That's it.
This is Joey!
Hey. Joey special guest appearance today.
Yeah.
Got the camera out, you know, Motion Raceworks, Smack TV.
Yeah, Joey TV.
Joey TV.
Joey TV.
Been a while since we
Joey Raceworks at Joey TV and Joey America Customs.
Joey, I'm gonna put you in the trunk.
Joey, yeah.
Not today, Joey.
It's Joey's truck.
Joey's truck.
Joey's here. We got Joey here. I'm Joey. He's Joey. We're all Joey.
Yeah, Joey's over there in the woods.
Doing
last night, Joey.
What, Joey?
Joey, she told you not to talk about that.
Sleeping with the fishes.
Fishies in the river, Joey.
The river's over there, Joey.
It's going to be the tire side in the Falcon. Tommy goes around number 2.
We got last pair down, so that's a good thing. We're hopefully it's going to be nice and sticky for us. Racing this Fox body up here, hoping for the best. Going to go fast. Maybe ride a wheelie. go straight up.
I got the meme for that, Joey.
I said it's not gonna go straight up, so don't worry.
I got the meme earlier, you in the car going like this. We're gonna make that a meme, 100%.
Hey, it's got a pan saver on it.
Man.
Is that your first wheelie?
Yeah.
Nice. It was straight up.
Holy cow.
Didn't scratch the bumper though, you're good.
Man.
Look at that.
Dude, I knew it was going left too. Like I could see it going. Oh man. It was up.
Sorry.
Dude, I tried to get back in it before it hit the ground and
It's alright. Yeah, if you let all the way out, it opens the blow valve. That's all there is, yeah. I mean, when you're going straight up like that, you have to.
I'm sure I did.
Right.
That was fun.
Alright, we can take some weight.
That was worth the drive right there. That was worth the drive. It was going to be fast. It left so hard. It was going to be fast. Holy shit.
Everybody was like, oh my gosh! I was like, it did exactly what I said it's not going to do.
Like it might come up a little, but
Dude, this thing's going to roll out perfect. And it was just like, rah! He's got the perfect picture of me in the car, and I'm telling you something, I'm going like this, and he goes, I got the perfect meme.
You're going like this or something, and then you're going like this, like in the next frame.
Well, gosh, I thought you were still gonna win because I heard you get back in. I'm like, oh, he's still gonna win.
I look over and he's like, not that far by, but it's like,
dude, it just left so good. Technically, so good.
Yeah, it did. It felt great.
It'll be fine. This week on Joey TV.
Joey TV on the TV and the Joey.
And then TV and on Joey's.
Yeah, we on the Joey because we're on TV.
Can you turn it on channel Joey on the TV?
Yeah, Joey 69.
Yeah, let's watch it. Can you turn it to channel TV?
Yeah, Joey, I'll put the TV on Joey,
TV
okay?
Joey.
Joey,
Hey,
Jesus.
what's the
We'll
matter
put it on
with you?
Joey
Hey, what are you
TV.
drinking in?
Put Joey.
I got a Joey light over here.
Yeah, whatever, man. What's the
It's
matter
raining,
with you?
Joey. We did a wheelie, we rained, that's it.
I got a picture of it on the bumper though, Joey.
I told him, I said, hey, it's not gonna go straight up, it's only gonna power wheelie, don't be worried.
Yeah, he did one of these in the car, and then he did exactly that, like literally to a T.
I didn't mean to do that.
Hey,
I was
you know,
talking about
Joey.
something different.
Yeah, we're gonna make a meme out of it, so stay tuned for that.
Yeah. Tonight was a total bust. I'm sorry, Alan, that I messed up your testing.
We got a good thumbnail though, Alan.
Yeah. This will be a great movie on the YouTube.
Yeah. Tune in, Joey TV.
Joey TV, we do a big Joey on the track, and then yeah, then Joey's all over us.
Joey USA, baby.
Yeah. Joey TV.